Every programmer is familiar with this situation. You have some problem, for example, you want a feature implemented in your program but don't know how to approach it. You get frustrated, you sit in front of your computer for hours and you just can't find any solutions which really work, and in the end you just have a headache and walk away from your PC thinking that you have achieved absolutely nothing today. Hello and welcome to the jSparrow Start Programming channel. My name is Ben, and in this video I want to give you a few tips to help you deal with those situations in a better way. An approach that has really proven very strong for me is to simply remove yourself from the problem and create distance for a while. If you're going for multiple hours at a time and just can't get it solved, then you won't get it solved within the next 2 or 3 hours either. At least, that's my experience with this kind of situation. What I then do is to simply distance myself from the problem and continue to process it in my subconsciousness. In the meantime, I just work on other things to relieve my frustrations with simpler tasks, so I have a sense of achievement again. And quite frankly, the simple things also need to be done, and therefore I don't have the feeling of wasting time. Subconsciously, as already mentioned, I'm processing the big problem while I'm doing simple tasks. If possible, I like to go for a walk in the forest or solve chess puzzles to just let go of my frustration, and that's exactly where I usually get a flash of inspiration that helps me with the big problem. It's always been like this for me. I've just learned that the more frustrated I get with a problem and the more I feel the need to solve this problem, the less likely it is that I will solve the problem today. This is similar to the situation when you have to get up very early in the next morning and then try to fall asleep as early and as quickly as possible. That, in my experience, never really works. Instead, it just creates unnecessary stress. By the way, if you program in Java, then I have just a thing for you to say goodbye to frustration and unsolved problems. Captain jSparrow is our rule-based automatic code refactoring tool that turns your old code into the latest Java version and fixes all kinds of bugs in seconds. For new implementations in your program, our markers can also help you apply Java best practices live and in depth while writing your code. The best part is that you can use it for free. Just click the link in the video description and try 20 of our most popular rules for free. Back to the topic. As I said, don't torture yourself, distance yourself from the problem for a period of time and you will subconsciously process it. Even a genius like Albert Einstein solved his most challenging problems by processing them in his subconsciousness while working in a patent office. He has personally mentioned several times and to various sources that the work and the distance to his research have helped him to achieve great success. If the flash of inspiration does not hit you, you can simply try to solve the problem in peace again on another day, and you will see that despite the break you have come much further. If you then actively think about it again, you will usually find a solution. If you guys have any other approaches to get rid of frustrations, then please share them with us in the comment section. I would be very interested to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button so that you will stay motivated as far as programming goes and support me in growing this channel. For the rest, I wish you a wonderful day and happy programming. Goodbye.